Why should we bother about that? Since the day you've come here, problems are cropping up. Get out of this house!
You are such a weird person. I am talking about getting Arohi out of your life while you are evicting me from this bungalow instead. Think about it, mister. 4 is better than 2 any day. I'll help you if I stay here, right?
I don't need your help at all, okay? Come on, get going.
Deep, what are you doing? You know that Danny has saved my life several times, right? Just look at his face once. He is looking terrified. Let's allow him to stay in this house. What's the problem?
By the way, I'm not so terrified. Hey, what's this?
Hey, move or else I'll crush you. Superman.
Where are you going with the bag, Deep?
I'm going on a picnic. Will you come with me? I have 24 hours. I'll have to find out what she's about to do.
Why are you going alone despite being threatened by Tara? Even I will come with you, Deep.
You don't worry about me. Just think about yourself.
You can worry about me, right? Then let me worry about you. You failed to recognize Tara the last time, Deep. I don't want any confusion to occur this time and hence I'll accompany you.
It's tough to recognize either of you for me and for the cops as well.
If it's really so tough to recognize me, then I have a solution for it. Take this.
What's this?
This is a tattoo machine, Deep. Take this and inflict a permanent scar on my body, Deep.
I have been deceived once before too as well.
But this isn't deception, Deep. This is the biggest truth of the day. Inflict a scar on my body.
Think about it. It will cause tremendous pain.
To whom? To you? Or to me?
I told you that it will cause pain.
This is the sweetest pain. You did not write your name there. You have signed on my life. Deep Arohi belongs to you now. No one can separate me from you.
What is this?
You broke my car. I got it as a present. You're just too bad that you always kept scolding me, Mom, and everyone else. I won't talk to you anymore.
Can you tell me who gifted you this car to you? Mom, it's very important for me to know who gifted you this car. Please tell me that who gifted this car to you. I will gift you a bigger car than this, okay?
Promise?
Promise.
Pinky promise?
Mother promise.
Cross your heart.
I do.
Okay. That man gave it to me.
Did you gift a car to Mom?
Me? To her? Come on, Deep. How can I gift her a car? I don't even have my wallet. Don't you remember I made you pay the constable?
No. He didn't give the car. This man did.
What? When did I gift it to you?
Sorry, Dad. The ghost gave it to me.
Why would I give toys to Roma? Have I lost my mind?
Oh, come on. I'm so confused now. I don't know who gave it to me. All of you are bad people. You broke my car. I want a new car, Dad. Right now.
Mom!
As per the MRI report, due to her head injury, her neurosystem has been damaged. In such cases, the patient can lose his mental balance.
The doctor says that mother has lost her mental imbalance. While I think she's acting right now. Thank you so much, doctor.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the food has been served. Here you go.
Did you cook this?
Yes, I cooked the food. The thing is, I'm a lawyer and I can record the details of every file instantly. I know about everyone's favorite dishes.
Do you only know about the dishes or do you know something else too?
Until now, I have been talking about the dishes. Hey, please come, Mr. Deep. Look, I have made your favorite dish.
Yes. Dal tadka, flatbread, cottage cheese. Looking at the bill of our favorite dishes, I am sure you didn't order it.
Well, Deep, enjoy the destination, ignore the path to it. Have a seat.
Please stop pretending.
You are being weird. You should praise me, but you are scolding me. I just did all this since I pitied your wife. You do nothing for her, so I thought of doing something.
You are crossing your limit right now. Get out right now.
Okay. Oh, not my collar, okay? I'm going.
He will not leave.
What are you saying, Virat?
I am right. He'll not go anywhere. He'll stay here. In fact, we should all be thankful to Danny because he is a competent lawyer. Because of him, my suspension order has been terminated. And I have reclaimed my position in the police department. So once again, I'm Inspector Laksh Virat Raichand. Thank you, Danny. Thanks a lot. You'll stay in this house. You're not going anywhere.
Thank you. I want to ask you something. Do I have to pay the rent?
No, everything is on the house. Feel at home.
Thank you. By the way, I've made your favorite dish too. Please come.
Sure.
Yes.
Please join us.
Yes.
As if Tara was not enough now, Virat will also start causing problems. He will take advantage of being a cop now. Oh goddess, when will these challenges end? Deep, are you all right? Deep, are you fine?
Lift him.
Careful. Deep and Arohi, both of you only have 72 hours left. Within 72 hours, you will face death at every step.
I can't understand anything. What is going on? Arohi keeps coming to this house and challenges us and we don't do anything.
Virat, things are getting out of control now. How long do we sit idly? We have to answer her this time.
You're right, Prithvi. I'll send the entire police force after her. There has already been one blast, so before there's another blast, I will find her. Even if she is hiding in the underworld, I'll find her. I will nip this problem in the bud.
Virat, listen to me.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.